Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ronald. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-install at mag-register ng eGovPH app para makuha niyo yung national ID and ma-maximize yung features tulad ng e-travel and other government services. So for this year, 2025, gagawa lang tayo ulit ng bagong video. First thing is you need to download the app itself. Punta kayo sa Play Store, sa Android, or Apple Store sa mga iPhone device. Search and type eGovPH app. And then choose to install. Open the app and then create an account. Add in your first name, middle name, kung meron kayong suffix name, and kung wala kayong middle name, you can put no middle name. And yung apelido nyo, last name. Ilagay ang valid email. So, make sure na meron kayong access sa email na to. Hindi nyo nakalimutan yung password dahil dito isasend yung OTP. Click Create New Account. Open your valid email. Tapos, kunin natin yung OTP na sinend. Copy and paste the OTP na sinend sa email. Ilagay ang phone number. Click the flag icon kung yung phone number mo is outside Philippines, tulad nga ng sa mga OFW and for foreign visitor. Press next, and then create your MPIN code. Kailangan 6 digit, so it can be your birthday, any number na madali nyong tandaan. Ulitin lang ng 2 beses. Press next, and congratulations, meron ka ng account sa eGov. But wait, kailangan mo pang i-verify yung account mo. But since hindi pa siya verified, kahit na anong gawin mong pindot dun sa mga icons, you cannot use it. So sa dashboard na to, kapag na-verify na, you can use all the features here. So magbe-verify muna tayo. Click Verify Now. So let's update the missing information. Lagay niyo yung citizenship, date of birth or birthday, your gender, lalaki ba o babae. Kung meron kang e-fill ID or national ID, you can use this feature para ma-scan. I-allow mo yung camera sa settings. You can use any address here if you are in Philippines or if you are an OFW or sa abroad or a foreign visitor or foreign traveler, and then just answer accordingly your province, city, and region if it's applicable. Tapos lagay mo na lang yung other details tulad ng unit number, floor, and so on. If it's optional, you can skip it. And then press next. I-double check yung personal details nyo and address na nilagay. Kung may babaguhin, you can press edit details. Kung wala namang mali, press next. Add in your signature, gamitin ang fingertip at pumirma. You can choose to clear kung gusto mong ulitin yung signature mo. Press continue and then make sure na naka-allow nga yung camera settings mo dahil kailangan mo nang mag-selfie. Make sure na wala kayong suot na sombrero, maliwanag ang lugar, merong sapat na ilaw, at nakafocus yung mukha nyo sa loob ng frame. Follow the instruction, tumingin sa kaliwa, sa kanan, until maging green yung frame sa picture. You can retake the photo kung hindi nyo gusto yung picture. Kapag okay naman kayo, pindutin nyo yung yes, I'm happy. If you have any problems dun sa selfie, just restart the app and repeat the process of taking the selfie. So next step, submitting a valid ID. So this is the list of IDs na tinatanggap. So for example, I will use my e-fill ID or national ID. Kung ano man yung pinili nyo ng valid ID, dapat yun din yung option na ilalagay nyo. Press submit valid ID and then choose which ID nga that you want to use. Tapos i-scan or pipicturean yung ID. Make sure it's clear. Kung hindi kayo satisfied sa picture, pwede kayong mag-retake photo. Kung yung picture naman ay nakabaliktad, pwede nyong i-rotate image. Kung okay na lahat, press continue. So you need to wait within 7 days para ma-verify yung account nyo. Earlier than 7 days, maybe 2 to 3 days then. So there will be 2 results. Either it's approved, like my account, I can use all the features and e-travel and view my national ID. And if you're an OFW, kung may OWA record ka, lalabas din yung OWA ID mo. If it's rejected, magkakaroon ng message na ganito. This is just an example of a message from eGov. You just need to repeat the process. Kailangan mong i-verify ulit yung account mo. So just follow my video again until makuha mo yung verification or pag-approve ng account mo. If wala ka namang record sa national ID or hindi ka pa nagparehistro, pwedeng lumabas yung no records or no national ID. Ang kailangan mong gawin ay magparehistro ng national ID mo. You can follow my tutorials. Marami tayong available video para sa mga national ID and digital national ID. Kung may tanong kayo, just comment down below. Shout out sa mga subscribers. I will see you in my next video.